a skincare, makeup, and hair care haul for you. I was excited to go shopping by myself one day, and I know I promised this video like 2 weeks ago, but I kept it all in the packaging. I haven't touched it because I wanted to film this for you guys. And yeah, I went to TJ Maxx, Target, and CVS. I went so crazy getting all this stuff though. It was like the best me time. A lot of stuff was on sale, especially at TJ Maxx. I just haven't been in their like makeup skincare section in a long time, so let me know your thoughts on it, because I know some people don't really like to shop through it, but I did. So yeah, so first off, I'll go with CVS. First item is this Beauty 360 Headband Stay Put Comfort Fit. I really like these because they have the little spokes to like secure it in your hair, and then they pretty much match my hair really well. It's like a brownish color and a black, and I just figured this would be easy in the summer. Just put it on, keep going. I've just been for easy comfort these days. Then I grabbed the HASK Tea Tree Oil and Rosemary Invigorating Shampoo. It looks like this. I also got the conditioner. Tea tree oil is apparently, it feels nice. Everyone has rated this really well, so I'm excited to try it out. I don't know. This one wasn't on sale, but CVS always has good deals anyways, and I'm like part of their membership where you get $10 off a month, so you should look into that because it's a good deal. It's like you pay $5, but then you get $10, so I feel like you're getting $5 extra to spend. It's like a monthly subscription, but it works out for me, and then you can still use your coupons on top of that. So if you shop at CVS a lot, you might want to do that. Then I have this HASK MONOI Coconut Oil 5-in-1 Leave-In Spray. I want to try this one because I've tried the one with the purple label. That one has like 10 different things that it does, like detangles, nourishes. I don't know. I can't remember, but I love that. And I just want to try this one out and see. Yeah, I'll try all of their line. So far, HASK has done me very well. Next up is this L'Oreal eye cream. It's the Eye Defense, reduces puffiness, lines, and dark circles with caffeine. Wanted to try this out because I've never tried it. I love a good eye cream. I feel like I always get eczema underneath my eyes, and I haven't gotten it for a really long time. I feel like that's just because I was indoors most of the time, but with summertime and the heat, I need all the hydration I can get. So hopefully this is a good one. Then I grabbed the Burts Bees Firming Day Lotion. It's the RENEWAL line. It has SPF 30. It's 98.9 natural origin. Reduces the look of lines and wrinkles while protecting skin from sun damage. I'm getting older, so I just feel like anything I can do for wrinkles, I need to do. So that's why I'm doing all this anti-aging like crazy, because, you know, I don't know. My birthday's coming up soon in June. Just thinking about it. Burts Bees a night cream, intense hydration with clary sage for dry skin. Just trying again, all natural, more natural products too. I was trying to do better. I don't know. It's the world we live in right now. Next but not least, I'm excited to try this out. It's the Locking and Coconut Curls Air Dry Cream by OGX. It's the no blow dry needed strands air dry soft with coconut oil and shea butter. This creamy blend helps curls hold bounce without a crunch. I have an air dry mousse situation already, so I wanted to try this cream and see if it worked, because that's what I have in my hair right now. It's like wet, but it has that air dry cream in it, and as you can see, it's doing pretty well in my opinion as it dries. It's not super frizzy, so I'm excited about that. Next up, I wanted to try this more natural deodorant because I don't really have a natural deodorant. I know I've been living under a rock, but I usually go with cheaper for deodorant. I don't know. But I want to try this Women MITCHUM Natural Power Bamboo Powder 24-hour protection eucalyptus scent. Looks like this. This guy hopefully works. This one was on sale at CVS, which is why I was like, okay, you know, it's not that much more expensive because natural deodorants are more expensive. I get why, but yeah. So we'll try this out, let y'all know if it's a good one. Then I grabbed the CVS Deep Cleaning Toner, Salicylic Acid Acne Medication. Gentle formula helps treat and prevent pimples, cleans and refreshes by removing dirt and oil for sensitive skin. I just needed a toner. This one, I figured CVS brand, just to try out because I do like have a blemish right here, and I've been getting dry spots, and just like from the masks and wearing them, I'll get it like right here and under my chin especially. So I just want to like deep clean, So grabbed that guy. For my kids, I grabbed the SUAVE Kids Frozen 2 Detangler Spray, Sparkleberry. This one was just inexpensive, but I don't know. I figured I would try it because they like detangling sprays for their hair, and I can go cheap on them. They're little boys and they have short hair. I also grabbed this AVEENO Repairing CICA hand mask. Looks like this. I meant to grab the foot mask and accidentally grabbed this, but I will treat myself and enjoy a good hand massage situation for myself. So I like these. I like the foot masks very much by AVEENO. This is what I have in my hair that I was talking about. The FRIZZ Air Dry Wave Styling Foam. Oh, it's not a mousse, it's a foam. But this guy I love. I have one already. This is my backup because I feel like I need it. And even though I'm going to try different air dry creams, this I know works. I just want to like broaden my horizons. But this stuff, you guys, if you have curly wavy hair, put this in your hair. Like it is drying. This is all that's in my hair. And by the time it's like really, really dry, I can just add a little bit of a serum or a regular curl cream if I want to get it like super duper curly. But on the day to day, this works for me and I love it. I grabbed the Flower Get Real Serum Foundation. I've never tried a serum foundation, so I'm excited to try this out. I might do a dedicated video just on this, but yeah, I'm excited. It has a little pump too, so we'll see. I also grabbed the Dr. TEAL'S Body Lotion in Nourishing Coconut Oil. Has cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E. I just need a new body lotion, and I just like the packaging on this, and I love coconut, so I figured this is a win-win situation. And then last but not least from CVS, I got the BATISTE Dry Shampoo in Floral and Flirty. I haven't used very much dry shampoo, but I noticed that I was almost gone, so just in a pinch, I like to have a backup one, so grab this one. Now for Target. I grabbed the Eva NYC Made Magic 10-in-1 Styling Mousse. I went in for their curl cream by Eva NYC that I love, but they don't seem to carry it at Target, so I'm going to have to go to Ulta and really get it. But I still want to try mousse. I don't have any mousse in my collection at the moment because I've been using creams in my air dry waves and that's been working, but I still like to try new hair care items all the time, see what's better, what's out there, and I just love the packaging of this one too, so excited to try that. Then I grabbed the Kristen S Dry Finishing Working Texture Spray. I've never had texture spray, but everyone says very good things about this, so I'm excited to try it out and get some volume in my hair. I also grabbed the Kristen S Curl Defining Cream because, again, trying to find different things for my wavy hair and be more natural and quick with it. I do like my wavy hair, and it's naturally wavy, so I need to stop straightening it and doing all that stuff. And, again, being lazy, but let's see if it's good. Oh, this smells so good. It's the Mix Bar Coconut Palm Hair and Body Mist. It's number 8. This stuff is like $10, so half the price of my Pacifica perfumes. I mean, I think Pacifica's perfumes last longer, but I'm excited to try this out and see if it does last longer because then that would save me money. And it does smell like coconut. It smells like perfection. I love it so, so much. I also grabbed some Goody Ouchless Elastic hair ties. I always buy these in a big pack. I grabbed, some random Smartly toothbrushes, but they were 99 cents for 2, so that was a good deal. I never ever go there. I usually go to a dollar store, but in a pinch, I needed some, and so I grabbed those. And last but not least, we have TJ Maxx. So the first thing I grabbed was the Finley Collagen and Rose Oil Firming Facelift Face Serum. Brightening and smoothing ingredients help revitalize skin's complexion. It's just a beautiful, heavy bottle. They even wrapped it up like nice and neat for me because they were afraid it would break. It's solid, but you know, you gotta be gentle with it. I'm so into face serums. I love the hydration, and I'm excited to try this one out. Then I grabbed the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Butter Brazilian Pout Lip Kit. This I know isn't a new product, but I never tried it. It was $7.99 at TJ Maxx. I always forget all the stores, but it comes with 3 different lip creams, which are really pretty, like a mauve, a berry, and then like a more nudish coral. So I figured I would love any of those colors. And then the lip sleeping mask, and I haven't used a lip sleeping mask, but people do rave about them. So again, treating myself all the time with skincare. I really wanted that, but this seemed like a good deal to get all 4 things, so grab that. I also grabbed the e.l.f. Day to Night Lipstick Duo. This was $2.99, but I love the berry colors in this, and I just figured I had to try. It comes in a cute little pouch like this, but look at that. It's skinny. It's easy to like travel with and have 2 lip colors in one, so I'm definitely putting this in my purse. Love it. I love the idea of these, and they're so cute. Then I grabbed the Pearlescence Brightening and Toning Eye Serum. It has caffeine and vitamin C. I guess this is just like an eye cream, just in a serum form. So again, trying to see if it's a different hydration level, if it's better. I don't know. I need all the hydration to get under my eyes. This one was $4.99. So I don't know. The caffeine idea, the vitamin C. I have dark circles. I feel like everything helps. So definitely gonna try that. I also grabbed the Starry Nights Rejuvenate Relax Neck Cream, and this one was $5.99. I don't have a neck cream. I always just use like my moisturizer everywhere, so having a dedicated neck cream will be fun. It has collagen, chamomile to plump and renew the skin while calming the senses for a good night's sleep, nourishes and rejuvenates the neck for youthful smooth skin, and I'm supposed to use it at night. So figured that was a good price, and this is like a big bottle. Then I grabbed this MAC Glow Play Blush. It was $12.99, which is more expensive than what I usually spend on blushes whatsoever. But the color of this reminds me of in Bare Minerals like powder that I have. And I've just been looking for like a dark fuchsia blush. And this looks just like it. So I'm excited to have it in like this powder form. And I'm just so excited. And I'm pretty sure that this is less expensive than the blush that I have, but it was gifted to me, so I've never really paid that much. But that's my favorite shade for blush on my skin tone. I don't know why, I just love it so much. Then I grabbed this Anti-Wrinkle, Anti-Rise by DC. That's the logo up there. I don't know about this brand, but they're hydrogel under eye masks. Under eye wrinkles no more with collagen and lavender. So it's just, this is a better picture, but you just put them underneath your eyes really quickly. And I think it's April Athena 7. She raves about these all the time, or of under eye masks in general. So I was really excited to grab this and see if I would like them. I mean, I feel like I would because I do love sheet masks. So that one was also $5.99. Then randomly, I grabbed the Hello Natural Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste, Farm Grown Mint with tea tree and coconut oil. Try to combine those words. This one was how much? $3.19. I don't know. Again, more natural toothpaste, and figured I would try it out. I also grabbed for sheet masks, because I think, yeah, all the rest that I grabbed is sheet mask, is the Cream Shop Aloe Vera Infused Essence Mask. It has vitamin A, smooth skin. Vitamin C helps brighten skin, nourishes skin post-sun exposure, and it's a 5-pack. And I figured this was a great price because, how much was this guy? How much was it? $5.99. So $5.99 for 5 masks. It makes them like $1.30, $1.25. So pretty good price for like a big kit like this. And I also grabbed the Corette Hello Corette Friends Mask. It's banana hydrating vegan masks. It has 10 sheets for $5.99, so that's a little bit better. That's a great deal. So I figured I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx now and get my sheet mask because I can get big packs like this, and I didn't even know that. And I love sheet masks. I also grabbed the Azure Rose and Collagen Hydrating Face Masks for moisturizing, toning, wrinkle reducing. This one has 5 masks. This one was $4.99. But still, I just want to try a variety of them, and I feel like now I have a good amount. That makes me excited. And last but not least, I grabbed the Wet Original Detangler Stellar Skies Detangler Brush. I just loved the print on this one. This one was $4.99, and I feel like whenever I see the wet brushes, they're like $8.99, $9.99. So I figured that was like half the price and good to try because I don't own a wet brush yet. Because again, I live under a rock and I had perfectly good brushes my whole life. But everyone raves about them, so I'm excited to try it out and see what the hype is about. I mean, it says 45% less breakage, 55% less effort, 100% happier hair. So, you know, with that promotion, it's got to be good. So that's everything for this haul. I know it was a lot. I'm going to try to make this not super duper long. That's why I tried to talk super fast and give you the details, but I will do dedicated videos on some, let you know if I like them and favorites videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys.